Hey guys, very good morning to all of you from Ho Chi Minh City. Today is 5th Jan, my last day here in Vietnam because tomorrow my flight is there around 1 p.m. I fly to Hanoi and from there to Mumbai. So last day today, what are the plans? So there are total 3 plans. First one is I'll be going towards to the car parts market for my Isuzu pickup truck. तो मेरे को देखना है what all things are there which I need to buy. First thing is I need to buy a car cover for the my truck, and then I'll be going towards to the war museum, Vietnam War Museum, and उसके बाद I'll be going towards the Independence Palace. So last के दो है, it's like close to each other, and I guess car parts market भी is roughly there only. I guess it's like what from here it's like 15 kilometer. So that's the plan. Time ho gaya, it's 10:35 and I'm all set to mount the bike and hit the road. So stay tuned for the last day's vlog and have a great day. See you on the road. Till then, enjoy and bye. Take care. So here we go. Apparently this tunnel goes underneath the river. There is a river above और ये tunnel नीचे जाता है and then again it comes up, and it's like pretty long tunnel. Around 2 या 3 किलोमीटर का रहेगा ये tunnel. 500 meters from this signal. I guess this is that shop where we are looking for our car cover. So we have bought the car cover. Okay guys, so I have done all my purchase. So क्या क्या लिया, I'll just tell you. I have taken floor mats for my car, front and rear dash cam, then उसके बाद mud flaps लिए मैंने. So this is for the car, and also mobile holder, USB charger, cigarette to USB charger, and yeah, pretty much this thing. So like the total is 17,000 Indian rupees. काफ़ी खर्चा हो गया. So so this is the place. So I've packed everything here and this. So there is one more place here. I'm going there where you get the car decals, car के जो stickers रहते हैं बाहर लगाने के लिए. So I'll just explore, but I don't think I'll be able to buy. I'll just have a look, and from there we'll go to the Vietnam War Remnants Museum. So वहाँ से वो market देखेंगे. Then from there we'll be going towards the this museum. So stay tuned, and the time is 1:35, and the weather is like it's cloudy, so there is no sun you can see. Okay, take care. I'm moving from here. Bye. Anthi Auto. So this was the place, Anthi Auto. Oh. So guys, I'm leaving this artwork place. It's good people, and इनके पास काफ़ी सारी designs भी है. which they have done for Ford pickup trucks. But Isuzu के लिए उनके पास ready-made designs नहीं है. But I have taken their contact details, and once I go back to India, I'll make my design and then send it here and let them make, and then they can ship back to India. But it's a good thing. It was nice seeing such a big decal shop catering to motorcycles, sedans, pickup trucks, everything. Great. So right now the time is 2:45. We are going towards the Vietnam War Remnants Museum, which is like 5 kilometers from here. Yeah, so we are here, War Remnants Museum. Oops. Money.
Khoái rồi. Thầy dạy hay mà.
So here we are at the War Remnants Museum. Yeah. Okay guys, so we are done with the War Remnants Museum and we are going towards the Independence Palace. It's like 400 meters from here, and that will mark our today's exploring activity. Then maybe evening we'll go to the along with Nihal to the market and explore some stuffs. Okay guys, bye, checking out. So guys, this is the Independence Palace. It's closed now. It's like We have some like a provision, so we cannot go inside.
Đó là nhà đây nha, mình làm đi. Em về ông bố.
So we'll say something.